Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the vintage kind of yellow gunval tires for you guys that are restoring the vintage bike but don't want to spend crazy money on a Vittoria whatnot. So here we are, I've got these, and let's say you don't want to spend crazy money on a Vittoria, on a Michelin, and you definitely don't want to put the modern tires that are on this bike, but you want to go something with the mid-range price range. Okay, and this is what I have here. By the way, I've been riding these for all summer and I'm quite happy with them, and this is what I have here. I'll let you see what I'm talking about. These are Kenda. Let you see. Now I'm gonna link these at down in the description. These are 700C, but they also have a 27 and a 1 1/4. But what I like, these, I'm gonna show you the bike for a second. These are perfect for this beautiful rally. I'll let you see this rally strata. The video doesn't do the justice to this bike, which is partially restored and whatnot. But like I said, these tires perfectly fit this bike. I'll let you see what I'm talking about. They're just amazing fit. Yellow gunvals on this beautiful Montreal blue color. Whatever you call this blue, I love it. But anyways, going back to the tires, these are very low rolling resistance. This is kind of like a new old stock. So these are pretty durable. I love how they corner. It gets the job done perfectly from what I need. Look at this little tread here for those corners, and look here for low rolling resistance. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm gonna link down the description on Amazon. Gonna get a tiny bit of commission, tiny bit of so I can support the channel. But like I said, I've been testing these, and these as well, and I know what I'm talking about, and I think this is the perfect choice on a bike like this that you want to kind of stay on the budget but do a nice bike restoration project. Hopefully you found this interesting and useful. Like, subscribe, and take care.